Technique 10. Arm rolls on the shoulders. With the flat side of our forearms placed on the top of the shoulders, we sink into the pressure using our body weight and roll outwards, repeating progressively towards the outer margin of the shoulders. Technique 11. Elbow walk on trapezius. We sit lower, interlock our hands and press with our elbows on the muscle area on both sides of the spine at a height of T1. Release pressure and press again. This way we walk on the muscle between shoulder blade and spine downwards and up again. Again, we use our body weight to increase the pressure. Technique 12. Progressive elbow walk. In the same way we start again from T1, pressing with our elbows on the muscle. We hold the pressure and roll a bit upwards, stretching the muscle. Repeat again, walking downwards and up again. Technique 13. Heel pressing on shoulders, on either side of the neck on the top shoulder muscles towards outside. Using our body weight, we lean into the presses to increase pressure slowly. Hold the pressure and release slowly. Stop before the acromion and press back. Technique 14. Thumbs pressing on shoulders. Starting on the shoulder muscles on either sides of the neck, with thumbs sideways we press towards outside and back. Again, we work with straight arms and the use of our body weight.